Nayo mwancho mulielia ni otokende masaya mogwika county ya Kisii asingo kumenya buna omubunge Bobasi MP Obiri nigaberiga kwa okoboko engana yokobagwa kwebunge yo asabuliriya abamenyi benseme yo koyesira okwana nigo abagakomocha bali babete bagutuguterare engana yo ase omwaka bwekiri bubere na 10 asaine kyabono nigo ebwenete kuligererwa boya mulikeito Brighton Makoli na mange
kupatikana ningana yokomenda chibunge ase ense ya Kenya nikobono mubunge Bobasi MP Obiri anyarire kagosegeta engane yo nabatabuna ebunge ya Bobasi gati yechibunge chiritakere konachwa marakabere boigo nigamachiri abana siasa bali bamincha ningane yo anekrateruna umwaka w'egirubu 2010 nigo batagete ngane yo ewo borito kurende abana siasa mbali bamirenge mamincha ningane yo.
I want to tell you a case I had in 2010. At that time there was a move to divide constituencies. I knew that Bobasi was actually one of the largest constituencies. So I went to Kisii County where we were making presentation. And when I went, I had all the facts that Bobasi is one of the largest constituencies in a country called Kenya. So I went with all my facts and I was going to read to the people, to the committee from IEBC. And while I was there, one or two of the politicians from Bobasi had sponsored some people and they really shouted at me.
Kulingana na Obiri nigateruna Bobasi nigo eigerenetie amaganionsi aliaragani inachanwe.
Bobasi geographically is large, but it's not the largest because you will get constituencies in northeastern which are bigger, but they have a quarter the population of Bobasi. But when it comes to population, Bobasi is one of the largest in this country. But that is not the biggest task. The biggest task is, and you listen to me carefully at this point, there is no constituency in Kenya which has got more schools than Bobasi.
Boigo nigateruna Bobasi isikona janwa none chibasina inanugochi asichibungejo yojira jiguisana asibono.
All the other constituencies, there are some constituencies which have got up to 20 schools, some have 50. I have over 200 schools and we get the same amount of CDF. So I have to struggle and try my level best to develop and improve those schools. And I'm happy that the schools have improved quite a great deal. I'm hoping that when the next delimitation will be done, it will be done and the Bobasi will be divided into two.
Obiri ngargoya kwana yo asiskuru yerigana asebunge yo ya Bobasi.
I am going to ask for permission. They told me I bought 2 million, especially at one go in 5 years. Nitaenda, nikifika kwa ofisi, mimi nitaandika barua, nitaenda kwa mkubwa wa CDF Bwana Mbuno, nikitaka niende na Bwana Ochieng, akinikubalia ndanunua. Because they told me not to buy. So I am going to do my level best, and if I'm allowed to buy, I'll buy. Zimepanda bei, but that is not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is that they have told me I have bought too many and I should not buy another one. But I'll go and appeal. It's not the law, it's a decision they made at that time, and I'm going to ask them to allow me to buy at least one, hoping that another school will not catch me and ask me for another.
Ripoti rigeta seni Ndizi TV, etheriane Brighton Makoli.